All right, so I was watching one of, I think it was LeDrib and Captain Vanover talking about Hypersmooth and using ND filters, that it freaking goddamn was started. Bitch. Take. So I saw LeDrib and Vanover talking about, it was their latest video talking about ND filters, and oh, it was about Hypersmooth and Realsteady, and LeDrib was saying you can't use ND filters with Hypersmooth, that it doesn't work that well. So I wanted to test that. We got the Hero 7 black with 60 frames per second, 1080p, and I've got an ND filter on it with Hypersmooth. Then I'm going to take the ND filter off, run the same settings, and see if it looks any different. I didn't realize you couldn't do that, or that it wouldn't work. But I'm also using the Ethix Lemon Limes too. I'm liking those, man, with the Rooster. Let's give it a shot.
I need the answer to all the pain before all the shame comes back again. Meeting my maker, waited in vain before all the pain comes back again. I need the answer to all the pain before all the shame comes back again. Meeting my maker, waited in vain before all the pain comes back again. I need the answer to all the pain before all the shame comes back again. Meeting my maker, waited in vain before all the pain comes back again.
So I forgot to say, when I was using the ND filter, it was ND16, and I had my shutter speed set to 1/120 because I had 60 frames per second. but now it's on auto shutter.
Activity alarm.
Shut the fuck up. Now it's on auto shutter. It's still at 60 frames a second, 1080p, and I've got Hypersmooth with no ND. We'll see if there's any difference.
I'll let you.
Man, it's hot. Underwear's just sticking.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I guess that's what happens when you do too much crap around trees. Try an inverted jump. But hopefully you can tell a difference in the Hypersmooth.
I'll let you flip that switch again.
She's all good other than a dirty lens and a little bit of a bent prop. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll have to look at the footage. Maybe I'll comment after I look at the footage and see if there is a difference. Peace. All right, so I'm at home now watching the footage, and I have to say, with the ND filter on it, I think it looks better. Maybe it's just because of the motion blur, but it still looks like it. Hypersmooth is working just as good with the filter on. So I'm not sure what the LeDrib dude's talking about. But he was saying that Hypersmooth doesn't work good with filter, but I think it looks good. Y'all tell me what you think. Peace.